Welcome to Trusted Tool Review, brought to you by Locksmith Ledger, the industry's trusted source for locksmiths and security professionals, along with access control. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Schlage PC53 series lever. We're going to be installing this on a door today, and this is going to be part one of a three-part series. This is a real-world application of the PC series from Schlage. We're going to be taking off this residential grade knob, which this is a very common occurrence. This does not meet ADA compliance, nor is it fire rated hardware, which is going to be required for this application. Here you can see the QR code, which will give you all of the information that you need about the product. And the first thing you'll notice is that there is no screw packet. The screws are actually intelligently designed to be installed in the part that they actually go in to save time and prevent confusion. When the part is already in place, there's no confusion about where it needs to go. Therefore, these latch screws just screw directly into the latch plate, and then the body of the lock and the chassis of the lock are simply inserted into the door and aligned with the latch. When the latch slides into the chassis of the body, then we can put the internal portion of the lock in. And again, you'll notice the screws are already where they're designed to go. I don't have to waste time fumbling around with a screw packet, deciding which screws go where. There's also a nice little layer of yellow Loctite already installed on these mounting screws, as these are what holds the lock together. These are the meat and potatoes of this particular package, meaning that they need to stay put and stay in place for a long time to ensure the optimal function. Now you can see that the latch is functioning with the lever installed on the outside. The screws are tightened down, the Loctite is already in place, and then the internal lever gets installed very simply and easily. You can see in just a matter of minutes how easily this is installed, and now we have the entire package already installed on this door. Next, we're going to take the latch plate or the strike plate and install that on the frame side, since this one is a little old and crusty. You can see that black plastic, again, holding those screws directly in place so you know exactly where they go. There's absolutely no confusion about what screws go where due to this unique layout and design from Schlage. Very user-friendly. This installs in just a few minutes and is extremely durable with a grade 1 function, and Schlage testing this with up to 2 million cycles. This is a heavy-duty ADA compliant entry function lever that looks as good as it functions. Grade 1 hardware that shines and will make your installation look fantastic. Schlage's Performance Series locks are ideal for applications looking for durability, style, and simplicity at a competitive price for everyday openings. This completes the well-known Grade 1 Schlage ND Series to offer customers an alternative in applications where cost is a concern, like small businesses, offices, retail, apartments, and something that the locksmith can stock on their truck. Unlike other locks where you have to separate the chassis from the trim, adjust for door thickness, and reassemble, this lock simplifies the installation with no separation of the trim and chassis required for 1 3/8 or 1 3/4 doors, both commercial and residential. Other features include the Schlage system offering the patented Everest 29 or S123 keyway that is provided standard, which prohibits unauthorized key duplication, restricted geographically, exclusive Primus options for advanced key control as well. Aesthetics include 6 available finishes across all lever and trims: satin chrome, satin nickel, bright chrome, matte black, aged bronze and oil-rubbed bronze for every application. This series is built to perform. Every Schlage lock undergoes intensive testing to determine its ANSI grade level, including cycle resistance, door impact, warped door, and bolt strength tests for a 5-year mechanical warranty. This lock is very, very heavy duty and secure as well. Ask your local distributor about the Performance Series lock to learn more at commercial.schlage.com/performance. Thank you for watching the Locksmith Ledger's trusted tool reviews and installing the Schlage PC 53 series lever. Join us for more locks to be installed in the future.